All right, so this is the third coat that we're going to do, and like I said, it must be light. It must be light. So you have to check. You don't pour too much just to see that it's light. This is too light. Just make sure it's just a bit lighter than the first coat, which is the filler. This is looking like it's thick, but you know, you can still manage this. Turn it. All right, now let's apply it to the wall. Now we're giving it the third time. This is the third coat. And the essence of all of this is just that you want a flawless wall. I'm going this way again. And if I go this way, like I said, we'll be putting the pressure where? The pressure will be on this side, the down part. The pressure will be on the down part of this so that we can take away any line. Once we put it here, pressure will be on the down part to take away any stroke. On the down part to take away any stroke. Do you get what I'm saying? To take away this stroke now, this that we're seeing here, the pressure will be on the down part to take it away. If there's any particle on the wall, you remove it. Apply on the wall. Pressure on down parts. Pressure on the down parts. The down part is the down part of the scraper. That's what I mean. On the down parts. Pressure on the down parts. You mount the pressure on the down parts. Just to make sure, and you know, you smooth it. Anyway, that doesn't look smooth, you know, hide it and you know, smooth it. The essence is to have a flawless and a smooth wall. A flawless wall. That is the essence of this. Like I told us, if you are doing it straight, once you get to this edge, we have to change direction. Now, the pressure will be on this side of the scraper. Pressure will be on this side of the scraper. Now, we have too much of it. Because we are dealing with the edges, we have to do it this way now. Because we are doing it downward, then the pressure will be on the downward part of this scraper. Pressure will be on the downward parts of the scraper. Just to remove any line, downward part of the scraper, to remove any line. Practice makes perfect. To know if we're actually done and if we have a smoothless wall, we are going to carry our lights, our bright lights, and carry our camera to show it from the side. Let's check from the side, because when you check from the side, when you put the light from the side, check with your camera from the angle, from the side angle. We'll check through. We'll see whether we have a smooth wall or we still have a rough wall. Now let's check. Now look at this. That's one. We are seeing this. This is one. Can you see this? On normal eye won't see this. Trust me, normal eye won't see this. This I'm showing you with light and camera. Look at this. Normal eye won't see this too. If you are looking at it from far or you are able close to it with your normal eye, you'll be seeing a flawless wall. Meanwhile, we are having something like this on the wall. Let me show you some other particles. Forget about the color. What we are looking at is the smoothness of the wall. Forget about the color. Maybe you are seeing some color. You don't really need that. Now, if we should rate this wall, let's say if you want to rate this wall, we rate this wall to be 75 to 80% smooth. All right, guys. So we have 75 to 80% smoothness on this wall. So if you still feel like, okay, you want to give it a fourth coat, you can go ahead and give it your fourth coat. But believe me, with the little things we have on the wall, once you sand it, sandpaper will take it off. Do you understand? Because no matter how many times you skim the wall, no matter how many number of times you apply the putty on the wall, you will still have to smooth it with sandpaper. Do you understand? Or a sanding machine, whichever one. But you know, for a beginner who does not have much money, just go with your sandpaper. You know, so the only thing I say I would believe is remaining is this edge. So what you would want to do is take a little pieces and use your finger, we call it fingering, to apply it to this edge and make sure it is smooth. Apply it to the edge, apply it to the edge. Use your finger to take this thing. We call it fingering, apply it to the edge. Just take it, apply it to the edge, 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 Trust me, with everything I have explained to you in this video, if you can take your time to watch and watch and watch and watch, digest it completely, you will be able to screen an entire building. Trust me. The essence of all of this thing is just for you to understand the basics, the basic of skimming. And if you understand the basics already, then trust me, you are good to go. The other experiences will catch up along with you while you are doing it. Do you understand? So thank you very much for this episode.